Hey guys, welcome back to PopItDk, and today we are gonna show you some cool Instagram tricks that you might not be aware of. So let's get started without wasting our time.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign.
So on trick number 1, you have to come to your profile, click on this 3 dash on the top right corner, and then you have to go to your activity, and then from your activity you have to select on the interactions, and then from interactions you have to click on like, and you can see the videos or the photos that you have liked will come up, and here you have to click on oldest to newest. Now by filtering this likes as oldest to newest, you will find the first video ever that you have liked. So this is a very nice experience where you can find old photos or videos that you have liked. Now for trick number 2, again you have to click on this 3 dash, and then you have to go to your activity and you have to click on the time spent. Now from this section you will be able to see how much time you are spending daily on Instagram from this particular device, and if you are a student, please don't waste this much time on Instagram. Now on trick number 3, we all know how to go offline and online, but we don't have to let the world know that we are online, right? So let's come to this 3 dash again and go to settings, and then I'll be going to privacy, and there it's activity status. So you can switch this activity status off to make sure that nobody is seeing you online. Now you can swipe through the reels, nobody will tell you that you are always online. Now for trick number 4, what you have to do is you have to go to somebody's message. I'll choose my friend Pavitra here, and you have to type /silent, and you can send anything. Let's say I'll send hello boy. So what will happen is he will not be notified for this particular message. Because of this /silent, this message will go to him silently. Whenever he'll be opening Instagram, he'll be getting it, but it will not be notified. Now for this trick number 5, what we will be doing is we'll be searching our place, and we'll be seeing if anybody else is here or who have posted what in the location where we are now. So what I'll be doing is I'll be typing the place where I am now. Currently I am in the Avani Riverside Mall. I'll be selecting Avani Riverside Mall, and I'll be going to places, and after going to places I'll be selecting this mall here, and here you can see, if I come to recent here, I'll be seeing all the recent posts that people have done visiting here. So this is how you can also check who have visited this place recently and what post they have made, and you can follow them as well. Now on trick number 7, we'll see how to see someone's message without letting them know that we have already viewed their message. So what you have to do is you have to simply come to this 3 dot here, and you have to restrict that particular person, and you have to go to that message and you can see the message. And once you are done, you can again click on the 3 dot and you can unrestrict the person. In that case, the person will be not getting the seen option, so he will not be understanding you have seen the message. Now the bonus trick would be how to download any reel within fraction of second. So for this we have to go to any reel and click on the share arrow, and then we have to copy the link URL, and we have to come to this website called instavideosave.net, and we have to paste the URL and click on the download button. Yeah, our reel will be downloaded within fraction of second. Hope you have liked this video about the Instagram tricks, and don't forget to mention which trick did you like the most in the comment section. Bye bye, see you and take care.